Alright guys, we're going to take out a power supply and we're going to show you the proper way. Be careful not to break the clip when you unplug it. Always unplug the clips before you do the screws. And that's it, guys. Alright, now we're moving on to the main board. Same rules apply. We're going to unclip everything and then unscrew the screws. That's it, guys. Alright, here we have a T-Con board. It's protected with a metal cover. So first we're going to take that metal cover off. Notice the ribbon cables here at the bottom. We're going to be gentle with those. Easy to break, and that right there is also easy to break if you're not careful. Alright guys, that wraps it up.